and congratulations on your purchase of the Eaton Universal Input PDU, UPDU for short. I'm Richard Varela, Global Product Manager for Rack PDU at Eaton, and I'll help you get started with your new unit so you can get up and running right away. Your unit is ready for use right out of the box. All you need to do is install it and connect the input cable to the UPDU and your power source. It comes with rack mounting buttons installed in the back of the unit. These buttons can easily be removed with a screwdriver and reconfigured to fit your rack in a rear or side mount configuration. Screw holes in the unit enable you to configure it to your desired specifications. Once you've configured your mounting buttons, installation is a breeze. The UPDU slides into place with no tooling required. Simply align the buttons with the mounting holes in your rack and let gravity do the rest. You're now ready to power your unit on. The input cable for your UPDU is a sturdy design with an overmolded back shell at the connection end and a twist lock mechanism that ensures a robust, unbreakable connection to the chassis, giving you the security to manage your cabling however it best fits your configuration. The connection end of the cable is designed with a notch and groove system marked with a white line, making the installation simple and, more importantly, impossible to install incorrectly. To attach the cable, simply locate the notch in the cable and align it with the groove on the UPDU connection point at a 90-degree angle. Push the cable into the chassis and twist the rotating lock ring clockwise until you feel it lock into place. When the lock is secure, your unit is ready to power on. Once your cable is installed and plugged in, your UPDU will begin to power up with green lights on each receptacle indicating they are powered on and ready for use. You can begin plugging in your rack equipment right away. When plugging in your equipment, you may notice it requires a bit more force than usual. This is normal. The high retention inside each outlet grabs the plug's pins, which creates more resistance when the plug is inserted and removed, but also prevents them from falling out or vibrating out. To unlock more features of your UPDU, you can start by connecting to your network. DHCP is enabled by default, so on most networks you can simply connect an Ethernet cable and watch the IP address update on the LCD screen to the new one obtained from the network. If a static IP address is necessary, it can be configured from the LCD settings menu. All the functions of your UPDU can be accessed via the LCD screen, but if you would like to manage your unit remotely, you can do so by simply typing the IP address into a web browser and entering the pre-configured credentials. The username is admin, no caps, and the password is admin, no caps. Once you access your UPDU remotely, you will land on the management dashboard and you can configure and operate your unit to your desired specifications. From the user interface, you can monitor the power being drawn from your PDU. If you have a metered unit, this information is displayed at the breaker level. For a managed unit, as we've shown here, the information will be displayed at the outlet level. With a managed unit, you also have on-off control at the outlet level. This gives you the ability to power cycle equipment on a precise schedule, shut off unused or locked equipment, and understand the power consumption of every individual piece of hardware plugged into your PDU. Thanks for watching, and thanks for trusting Eaton with your power distribution needs.